Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nikita. Welcome. If you are a oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be filming a haul for you guys. I've been literally trying to film a haul for the longest and it's just like not working out with my schedule, but today is the day. It's gonna be like a mini haul. Yeah, and I have to run to the store a little bit later. I'm gonna have something to eat after, but before, I'm gonna do like a little mini haul for you guys. I'm gonna do the package that I literally just got. My mom just gave this to me. I don't know what it is. I did not recognize. Oh, it's from DOSSIER. Oh, I'm so excited. I was expecting these. Oh, they came super fast. So I am a brand ambassador for DOSSIER and I'm so excited because you guys know I love perfumes. I did do a get ready with me in my car, and I talked about my first DOSSIER perfume, which is Woody One, and it smells so good. It's right here on my nightstand, and they sent me 2 more, so I can do like a unboxing with you guys. So it opens like this. First of all, the box is nude and I'm like obsessed with things that are like neutral, so I love that. The fair alternative to luxury perfumes, made in France, vegan and cruelty-free, risk-free order, clean ingredients. Ooh, made in France. She's fancy, okay? Very fancy. And then you basically get a card for your perfume. You get all the notes. So this one is spicy vanilla, and I love that they send you a little sample so you don't have to break the seal on, you know, your perfume if you want to return, which we won't be returning. We're keeping everything. So yeah, so let me smell this one. This is spicy vanilla, nutmeg, black pepper, lemongrass. Oh, obsessed with lemongrass. That's like one of my favorite scents. The middle notes, rose patchouli. Oh, let's smell this bad boy. Oh wow, that smells really good. It's super strong and it's kind of like spicy. So this is the comparison, and this is 1.7 ounces. And I have a link down below for you guys with a coupon code if you guys want to try DOSSIER, and let them know I sent you. Use my link, baby. Use my discount code. Save them coins. This one is Woody Saddlewood. Let's smell this one. Oh my gosh, this one smells like a hotel. Like, you know those like, okay, so I went to a hotel in New York called Arlo, and it smells just like this. Like, it smells like very fresh and very like earthy. And this one was Woody Saddle. So discount code down below, all the details down below with my link. Let them know I sent you guys. This is from DOSSIER. And then the next item I got from Zara, which is, Zara's like one of my favorite like go-to to get like basics. And I got this really cute sweater. And it's so cute. So it just looks like this. And it's off the shoulder and it's nude. So that. And then I also got a necklace. It's a little bee. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. So this is the necklace. I'm actually gonna put it on. But basically I got this necklace because I don't know if I've ever said this on my channel, but my dad, when we lived in Jamaica, he was a beekeeper. They also had like a mini, like, you know, mom and pop like grocery store, and he like farmed and stuff like that. And pretty much like one of my favorite stories my mom would tell me is when like my dad would literally bring the freaking bees like into the house, and they would be like all over. And I have like fond memories of like walking to my grandparents' house, and like by our house you would just see like the bees come in, and I would like run, and I don't know. So I got that just oh, I want to take this tag off. The tag won't come off, but once I get a pair of scissors I will put that on. But yeah, I got that necklace to wear with my other necklace, and yeah, I really like that one. And then also I did a re-up of ColourPop. I told you guys about like that concealer, and you guys, some of you guys tried it and reached out to me and told me, girl, you put us on, you're welcome. That's what I'm here to do. So basically I just got the no filter concealers. I actually tried a new shade. So the shade that I always get is medium 28, but then I tried a different one. Which is a different one I tried? Oh, medium 26. So I will show you the comparison. And I have on the concealer right now, and as you can see, it like just doesn't wash me out because I mix. So what is this? 26. And then this one is 28. This, what is the difference? They look the same. They literally, I don't see a difference. Do you? Do you? Nah. Okay, so I guess it's not a difference. I guess if I can't get one, I can get the other. That's good to know. And then last but not least, I got a pair of shoes. Ba-bam. I saw these shoes and I was like on the fence about them. I was like, they're cute. But I wasn't sure if I would like them in person. So I asked my bestie and she was like, girl, get them. My aunt was like, get them, girl, they're unusual. So this is what the shoe looks like. They're just a simple sandal, but it's like square, and I thought it was so cute. They cute or whatever. So that is it for the haul, guys. Be sure to check out, that is it for the haul, guys. Be sure to check out DOSSIER. Leave my code down below. And right now I'm about to set up and shoot my mini I'm about to shoot my mini ooh, this might be weird. I'm gonna be shooting, yeah, definitely shooting the try on haul for you guys. So yeah.
Sleep me, I know. Say sleep buddy, not me. She sleep on the water.
Mike, can you give me my coat, please? Slow, guys, we are at the airport. Mom is going to Jamrock for her annual vacay. It is my aunt, me, and my dad. We're all here. Why is the window down? Dad, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Here's mommy. All kinds of different, it looks like 4 different people are traveling. Here's Leash. Leisha, you want to say season's greetings? Mom's put on her little mask. You're putting on a new one?
Give me one.
Dad gave you one? I'm like, season's greetings, Miguel? Guys, we're going to Jamaica. Let me do a thumbnail. Hold on, hold on. Let us get a... Leisha, come now. All in there so we can do a thumbnail. Okay, good?
Jamaica, here I come again.
Mom's going to Jamaica. Me and Leisha are so jealous. You have to go up the things. Mom's going to Jamaica, Ma. Look at mom in curly hair. She's doing something different. She looks so cute. Get your shookaments together. Season's greetings, my girl. Season's greetings.
Season's greetings to one and all.
Mom, you want us to walk you up?
You can go.
First of all, Mom, Leash, and then there's me. Jamaica!
They're not going, they're jealous. Bye, girl.
Give Leisha a hug, Mom! Bye, Mom, love you. Okay, bye. Come on, Leash. We're going back to New Jersey. Guys, we just came from Jamaica. How was your trip to Jamaica, Leash? Let's go to... Guys, we just came back from Jamaica. Oh my gosh, it was wonderful. Wasn't Jamaica wonderful?
Yeah.
We went so fast. It was like one day. See, this is great. Now we're going to the car, wherever that is. Oh yeah. Where's Leash? Leisha, next year, Miguel.
Yeah.
Next year. My God, Jamaica no good again. Ay, yeah. Yeah, Mom's gone.
Okay.
It was easy. The airport's empty.
That's good.
And you brought us to the right spot. They're doing it like how they did it at the other airport.
So,
Yeah.
So when you guys were tapping the
Yeah, they're not even doing like America with America anymore. It's like...
Oh, okay.
Leisha, it looks like a Spanish-speaking country, right?
Yeah.
That they put together. Yeah, they're like grouping. I think they're not like letting a whole bunch of flights come into Jamaica like all at once.
Oh, okay.
Because in the airport I went, there's only 1 flight a day.
Okay.
No, true, Miguel. You want some water? I wish I had ice. I hate when these warm...
Listen.
Does that water taste weird? Or it tastes like water?
And the sparkling water?
No.
Maybe it's whatever.
It's Voss! It tastes weird.
I like it.
It tastes weird, right? It's from Norway, my girl. It tastes weird?
Give me another crisis.
Say hi to the people.
Hello, my people, my people, my people.
Drop on with it. Run with it, my girl.
Me no DJ, me no artist, me a dancer.
It's from Norway. It has like a weird taste. They must have been giving these shits away. I gotta buy you some sparkling water to bring up. My God. When we're all in Jamaica, we're not gonna see you. You and Barbie from Kingston to Kingston. Kingston to Portmore.
And Kim.
Kingston and Portmore. How far?
I don't know.
Like an hour?
Kingston and Portmore and Kingston, man. No. I don't know. I never been this. I'm not from the
When
side.
people talk about Portmore, they always say, oh, Portmore is like not like close to town. I don't know. I know we're far from it. Damn, I'm burning up.
We have to.
When I go home, sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. Oh, Mom is gonna be in Jamaica eating breadfruit, yam, and aki.
And banana.
And banana.
And dumpling.
And dumpling. And we're up here eating dry. Nothing.
Ain't food up and good. Nice.
My God, today. I felt like the time came by so fast. Right? You smell like a ripe mango.
I bought it first.
You found it easy, Dad?
Yeah.
Where was it? Is this an infinity? My God, today? My God, today? Infinity? Yeah.
1 mile. Keep left onto I-95 north toward I-75.
I wonder what brand makes Infinity.
Because I when them have that problem there, I think they merged with Nissan. That's why you notice this is some of them at the Nissan dealer. Yeah.
Oh, Infinity? So
Yeah, I think-
Lexus is like the hybrid of Toyota. Now Infinity is the hybrid of Nissan.
I'm not sure.
What about Audi?
Audi, that's a Europe.
That's a good car.
That's yeah man, Audi like good
You
car.
think Audi and Jeep are neck and neck?
I'm not sure about Audi, you know the two of them is on top. You know Audi like very good cars.
Audis are really, really good cars.
Yeah, that's what I'm heard over the years.
Keep left.
Whoa.